ActiveOxygen helps you to reliably remove germs and bacteria from your laundry without using additional chemicals. This means hygienically clean washing results for you and your family, even at low temperatures. You can add the ActiveOxygen option to different wash programs. This way, even your delicates will be hygienically clean. The regular washing cycle removes dirt and odors, but this doesn't necessarily mean that germs and bacteria are fully removed. ActiveOxygen even eliminates non-visible elements such as germs and bacteria. This way, your laundry will be hygienically clean. Here's how it works. Just select your washing program and add the ActiveOxygen option. First, surrounding air is drawn into the washing machine and transformed into ActiveOxygen. Then a cold fog is produced, which transports the ActiveOxygen into the drum. Before the beginning of the wash cycle, ActiveOxygen pre-treats your laundry and starts removing germs and bacteria. At the end of the wash cycle, a second ActiveOxygen treatment gently removes all remaining germs and bacteria. This is ActiveOxygen, the gentle technology for hygienic washing results. Makes your everyday life easier. Bosch, invented for life.